So these are my latest 3 books. Cooking Around the World with Chef Dez, the best in your kitchen. Chef Dez cooks with BC Eggs because I'm the corporate chef for BC Egg. How many of you guys have a kitchen at home? Show of hands if you have a kitchen. Show of hands. Okay, less than I thought. How many of you guys eat food like every day? You have to have food to stay alive anyway. You may as well become better at it, and then you can appreciate your creations a lot more. By taking a measuring cup and then doing a circular motion, and look at that. Can I have 3 volunteers, please? And we're gonna get you to wash your hands. Take our yolk and let the whites run through our hands. Chances are you have fingers, right? Faster, faster, let's go, let's go, let's go, faster. Just say, yes, chef, yes, chef.
I didn't know this was a workout.
Oh yeah, okay, let me show you. Okay, you're going to start picking up your dry bits and walk it down the counter like that, okay? Seriously? So cut it into 3, make 2 cuts. So all we're gonna do now is take that knife and just work that curvature of that onion, and look what we have. We have diced onion, because the cuts are already there. Salt is really important in this part because it's really gonna help start extracting the juices from those vegetables in the mirepoix. You don't have to sit there and struggle to get it out. It's very easy, very quick. If you don't want something spicy, you just add a little bit and it creates more complexity. Tonight we're gonna cook topless. Cooking topless means that we're gonna have evaporation. Once that's ready, we're gonna dump all the pasta and sauce together, and then we're gonna serve it to you guys. We're gonna go to the second setting and pass it through there 2 times. Once it catches there, I just let it go.
Came to a pasta course with Chef Dez. He's fun to listen to. He cracks jokes. He's very knowledgeable, and he makes great food. Came with 2 girlfriends. We booked online, pretty easy to do. Didn't know about adding egg yolks into the pasta. That was kind of interesting. So it makes it really, really rich.
My name is Raul. I'm from Brazil. I came from here for a couple of days, and I love visiting that store because the cooking class. The cooking class is so fantastic. Yeah, I can learn everything about. Today we're learning about the fresh pasta. It's good stuff.
That's a culinary term. Everybody write that down. Make sure when you drain your pasta, you never rinse your pasta. You don't want to wash away the starch. Who wants emerald?
Yes!
Bam! Dive in. Let me know what you think. You'll notice that the sauce is complex. It doesn't just taste like tomatoes.
I like the Yes Chef stores because here you're feeling your home. You know, you can find the whole stuffs in here. Whatever you need for your kitchen, you have here.
Best thing about Yes Chef is it's a local business, small business, not a chain store, local, giving back to the community. Perfect.